Once we, learn the web application penetration testing, so we will learn about network penetration testing as well. So, and security of a organization or of a security of a, application, everything does not, you know, uh, mean that you only take an precautions from one side. Okay. Suppose a bank, if a bank, uh, suppose Citibank, if suppose Citibank, uh, it's not like 100% that if a Citibank is using their net banking application properly, it doesn't mean that there cannot be any cyber attack, right? There could be a cyber attack from the network side as well. Might be they might be using some any services which are outdated, and attacker can gains information from there. Okay, so what this course will help us is will help us in becoming a cyber security analyst, okay, or will become a cyber security consultant, okay, will not become a network pen tester or will not become a web application pen tester or a mobile pen tester. We will become a consultant. Consultant means we have knowledge on everything, and then definitely the market values us a lot, because they know that one person will be capable of doing a lot of things for us, and then the pay and the job security is also more. Okay, so we will in the network security, we'll understand everything from a network security point of view, how you gather the information, how you will actually go ahead and understand the different ports and services which are being used, right? So our operating system takes help of for doing every task, it takes help of ports. Like if you want to send a mail, or if you want to copy a file, for everything it takes help of ports. Now for ports, there could be something which could be exposed in public, which it should not be, right? Suppose there is some HTTP, right? We remember, we know about HTTP, HTTPS. HTTP is not secure. So what if I've opened HTTP? Now what happens when HTTP is there? Unsecure channel, which means whatever you're doing, if someone is sniffing your account, their username and password can be sniffed. For simple, we will be learning Wireshark tool for that. Okay. So again, from this point of view, we will learn the exploitation of most famous, you know, uh, ports. And then again, we will do this from scratch. We'll understand how to use it, how to, look for the ports, what are the ports we have to look for, how to take an approach in Kali Linux, what are the tools we can use it for pen testing. Everything we will learn from a in-depth point of view. Okay.